In this video, I'm going to show you how to split money on Zelle. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up Zelle like you normally would. Now, sometimes Zelle is built into certain banking apps. For example, Zelle is built into Bank of America and Citibank. So the point is you just want to go ahead and access Zelle like you normally would. Then you're going to see this option that says split money. And then from here, it is going to open up all your different contacts. So now what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select the contact splitting the tab with you, or you guys can add them as new contacts over here on the top right if this is somebody new, or you can enter in their name or their phone number or their email. All right, so once you went ahead and selected on your contacts, then you need to go ahead and enter in the total amount of the bill. So let's say the bill was $10, then you want to go ahead and press on review, and then that is going to evenly split the bill just like so, and that way it is completely fair. And then afterwards, you need to select on split. You could also adjust the amounts for each person as well, so it doesn't necessarily have to be even. You can even adjust the amount someone has to pay. So that is definitely another feature to keep in mind. But then once you're done, go ahead and select on split and you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.